Well, hey there, crafty bestie. I am so excited you decided to join me inside of my Cricut Freedom Workshop. An email has been sent to your inbox for this event. At the time of your event, you'll just want to open that email and click on the link so that you can access it. If you don't see this email in your primary, then make sure to check your spam and promo folders just in case the inbox fairies tossed it there. During this workshop, I will share my 3 best secrets to overcoming Cricut confusion, including a complete step-by-step tutorial on 6 of the most used functions inside of Cricut Design Space. If you are tired of searching every corner of the internet to find the help you need to use your Cricut machine, if you feel lost, stuck on projects, overwhelmed, or frustrated, then this workshop was created for you, my friend. Now, the best way to get the most out of this workshop is with the intention of observing it like you would watch a movie. Trust me when I say, trying to follow along the first time you see this information can get really overwhelming. So don't worry about that. Instead, grab your favorite snack or cup of tea and settle in to watch it like you're binge watching your current favorite TV series on a Friday night. If you join me via the workshop link that has been emailed to you, then a replay will be sent out afterwards so that you can rewatch, pause, rewind, and process the information at your own pace. I will even email you printable notes to keep forever for free. I am so excited and honored that I get to help you in your Cricut journey. I will see you soon, my friend. Bye for now.